What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are going to be looking at how to locate and replace the fuse on your Rockville powered mixer. Now I have two different styles of mixers in front of me, the RPM 1470 and the RPM 109, but the process is the same to locate and replace the fuse. Let's get to it. Now on both powered mixers, the fuse is located right under the power jack. So I'm going to turn these around so you can see where that is. So on the RPM 109, it's right over here. And on the RPM 1470, it's right over here. If you look closely, you'll notice there's actually a print for the fuse right there. And the text on the fuse box actually says the proper fuse rating that you should use with. You always want to make sure you're using the proper fuse for the mixer, or it could lead to bigger issues. And if you don't know what fuse rating that is, you can always check the owner's manual for the product or contact our customer tech support and they'll let you know. Now it's very simple to replace the actual fuse. You just go to the fuse boxes over here. You'll notice there is actually a ridge for your finger. You just hold onto it and pull out and it'll release the fuse. You can do it on this one too. Find the ridge, pull out, and it'll release the fuse box. Now, the fuse that is actually grasped over here is actually the working fuse, and the one in this compartment over here is actually a replacement fuse. Now, if you don't have the replacement fuse, or maybe you used it already, you can always contact our parts department, and we can send you one out, or they can give you the specifications for the one you need, and you can go to a store and buy it. Very simple to replace. You just take the one that was already being used, pull it out of the clip, then you take it to push out the other one. And once you get a little headroom, you can pull it out. You just snap it back into the clip. And then you just put it back into the compartment. And it'll click into place. I could do it on the RPM 1470 as well. You just unclip it, push out the other one. Once you have headroom, you pull it out, put it back into the clip, clip it right into place. Then we can double check to make sure that our fuse is working by plugging in an IEC cable. Turn it on. We have power, so we know this one's working. Turn it off. Plug into here real quick. And we have power on this one as well, so we know this one is working too. So as you can see, replacing a fuse on a powered mixer from Rockville is super easy to do, but if you have any additional questions, you can reach out to our customer tech support with the email and phone number below. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.